Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change hanging indent in a cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to change the hanging indent of the cell. Now select this cell. Now you want to increase the indent or decrease this. Select the increase indent option. And we can see we increase the indent easily. You want to make the indent manually, go to the alignment setting option. Then we can see here the indent is 0. You can increase this, otherwise decrease this. We can see we add the hanging indent. Otherwise you can use the ruler. Go to the view menu, select the page layout drop down option. Then we can see here show the ruler. Now you can select any cell, then select the indent. You can see here the ruler and you can change the indent using this ruler. Then click the normal option. Then go to the file menu and check the preview. We can see we change the hanging indent of a cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.